Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Bank of America account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into our Bank of America account on computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address bankofamerica.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Bank of America. You can see over here, guys. Now in order to log into your Bank of America account, you can see, guys, there are a lot of login pages available for us over here with the small business, wealth management and business institutions. And in order to log into our personal Bank of America account, we'll be just on the personal one, and let's let it load. And let's go back to the personal. And over here, in order to sign into your Bank of America account, enter user ID over here with which you have signed up for a Bank of America account, and have that enter your password over here. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can already set it from over here where it says the forgot ID or password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your user ID or your password of your Bank of America account. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Bank of America account. And then, guys, this is how you log into your Bank of America account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.